Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and I love that summertime is almost over, y'all. Do not know how badly I loathe the summertime unless I'm in a body of water. I don't like summertime. If you do, kudos. But me, I like cold weather, so I'm happy that cold weather is approaching us. Thank you, Jesus. Anyways, long time no see. Again, please bear with me. I've noticed I've lost a few subs, and that's kind of shitty if you're gonna sub and then unsub, because I'm not unsubbing to you when you don't put out content every single day. Wink, wink. But anywho, anybody that has truly been supportive of me, even in me being absent and not always, you know, being as consistent as I have been, thank you so much. I am really trying to work through this funk that I have been in with my depression and anxiety and things like that. So just thank you so much. Today is going to be my Ipsy versus Ipsy for the month of August. If you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, this is a $10, getting ready to be $12 a month subscription, where you receive 5 like travel, try me size, health, beauty type items. And occasionally we'll get full-size items. And then there's also the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for $25 a month. I was getting that one, but I've kind of had to cut back a little bit on my sub boxes. So I always get 2 every single month. One is my mother-in-law's. Hers is based on kind of being a newbie to makeup, more natural type colors. She has light hair, light to medium skin, and green eyes. My personal bag is I'm super comfortable with makeup. I'm kind of more adventurous. I want more bold colors, brown hair, and well, colorful hair, now brown, but colorful hair and brown eyes. And luckily all the pink is almost out of my hair, so I'm kind of digging my hair right now. Anyways, we're gonna jump in. As you know, I don't ever watch anyone else's unboxings until I have filmed my own, and I'm also about a month and a half behind on videos. So now that school has started today, I will be getting caught up on everyone's videos in the next couple weeks, so please bear with me. So I don't get any spoilers, I don't watch anything, don't see anything. Oh, that feels weird. So this one is my mother-in-law's. Oh, that's kind of cool. Ooh, I'm digging the bag this month. I still probably won't keep it just because I have so many bags, but that is really neat. It's like a cool gunmetal gray with a gold zipper. That is really nice. So go Ipsy, I like this. Okay, so here is our little card. August 2019 is Bear Yourself. So I'm gonna say it's probably gearing toward more of a natural type of look. First up, I feel, is a Pixie by Petra Peach Parfait Blush. I love Pixie products. I will not actually open this itself because it's not mine. So that's a really pretty kind of true pink, like a blushy pink shade. I think she's gonna like that. She likes blushes, and I feel like that is kind of geared more toward a natural tone. Next, I feel an Ahava Dead Sea Mineral Body Lotion. I think she would like that as well. Ahava is a really good prestige brand, so I think she's gonna like that. I only feel 2 more things. Okay, I feel something else. Next is a Huda Beauty full-size lip contour lip liner in Trophy Wife. That is what that looks like. That's like a pretty pinky mauve shade. I think she will absolutely love that, and I think it's still staying in kind of in tune to her desires and her wants. Next up is a Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later face primer. We have gotten quite a few of these. I think I still have 2 of these myself, so I think she'll like that. And last but not least is an Eva Nye, or Eva, however the hell you say that, Eva NYC. Y'all know what I'm saying. Satin Dream Leave-In Cream with CeraVe and Argan Oil. Detangles, smooths, and moisturizes for all hair types. That is what that looks like. I think she's going to really love this bag, and she's probably going to use everything in this bag this time. I think that it was pretty even as far as like makeup, skin, hair. She got like a little bit of everything. I think she's really going to like this bag. I like this, and I think that she's going to really love it. And I do also think that it is pretty natural, kind of an, an even mix of things. So I'm going to put her bag back into her little thing here. And then I'm going to open my personal bag. Again, same bag. And let's see, what do we got? First up, I feel an Estate eyeshadow in the shade Smash. That is what the outside carton looks like. I do like Estate products. We've had a couple of their shadows and a couple, excuse me, Jesus, and a couple of their highlights and stuff before. Oh, that's pretty. That is like perfect for fall time. It's like a beautiful, like metallic cranberry shade. I will 100% be using this. That feels really nice and really, really creamy. Oh my God, that looks stunning. This is definitely part of like my go-to like fall shades. I do a lot of deep golds and bronzes and berry shades and stuff like that. So I'm pumped for this. I really like that. Next is a BioRace Pore Purifying Spirulina and Tea Tree Clay Mask. That was a mouthful. I will not keep this. Again, with masks, I either want to do like a sheet mask, lay there and be lazy and then take it off and massage the serum into my skin, or I like a peel off mask. I don't like something that has to sit on my face for, you know, a number of minutes and then I have to go in and rinse it off and stuff like that. I honestly tend to forget that I have it on my face when I do that, and then it's too hard to get off. So I'm lazy and I will probably just pass this along. Don't judge me. Next up is a It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion Weightless Moisturizer. I've actually not tried this. It Cosmetics is one of my all-time favorite brands. I've literally used this brand for probably 15 years. So I'm excited about that. Oh, I feel a brush. This is a Luxie 237 blending brush. We kind of typically get Luxie brushes pretty consistently with like Ipsy bags and then with our BoxyCharm. So really excited about that. I love that it's like a small tapered brush. And then my last item is, yes, I wanted to try this so bad. It is the Thrive Cosmetics Length and Volume Extension Mascara. And I think that we had gotten this, not we, because I canceled my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I want to say either this month or last month, everybody got this mascara, and I was so pissed because it was the month I canceled. So I'm excited about this. I will for sure be trying this. I love this bag. This eyeshadow is stunning, and I'm excited to try this mascara. I will be doing a full face of like first impressions and stuff very, very soon. So I'm trying to figure out which mascara I want to try because I have about 9 that I haven't tried. It's bad, and I'm a hoarder. So I am super thrilled. I think she's going to be super thrilled. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you got in your bag this month. What was your favorite thing? Do you like Ipsy? Have you not tried Ipsy? Let me know. Let's talk. Give me your deets. But that's it. And again, thank you so much for being patient. I love you all. And yeah, if you like this video at all, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you'll tap that notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.